Hi there and welcome to Green Bull Research. Today we'll be covering an investment opportunity to invest in what is called the quantum glass battery, which according to Matt McCall, who is an investment analyst over at Investor Place, this will ignite the global $3 trillion electric car revolution. And we are also told that this will be the single largest legal creation of wealth over the last 25 years. Pretty bold claims. And as if quantum glass did not sound good enough for a battery, he's also calling it the Forever battery and even the Jesus battery, claiming that it is the battery that could change the world. In the teaser, he goes on to bash the more commonly used lithium-ion batteries, showing how they can short circuit pretty easily and can be pretty dangerous, causing explosions and whatnot. According to him, with the quantum glass batteries, there are 0 fires, 0 explosions, 0 danger, and of course, it gets better. Popular Mechanics is supposedly calling it the battery of the future, and there has supposedly been a race for large automotive companies to get in on this new technology, such as GM, Ford, Toyota, BMW, Honda, Nissan, and Volkswagen. Not only are we told that these batteries are safe from fires and explosion, but we are also told that they charge incredibly fast. Fully charges cars in just 60 seconds, according to McCall. And not only could this ultra-fast charging tech lead to a new age in energy, but we are also informed that consumers will be able to go 1,000 miles on a single charge. Impressive, very impressive compared to the common lithium-ion batteries we see in EVs nowadays. Matt McCall really hypes up the investment opportunity here. He goes on and on about how this EV revolution with the quantum glass batteries is basically taking over the country, how it's going to put an end to gasoline, and he's even calling it the Tesla killer because Panasonic is really pushing for these quantum glass batteries, and he's claiming that it could possibly put Tesla's $5 billion lithium-ion battery gigafactory out of business. And then in typical fashion, McCall goes on to show other companies who have disrupted industries and saw astronomical gains, such as Netflix, close to over 38,000% gains, Amazon, 89,000% gains, Microsoft, 97,000% gains, and the list goes on. He claims that these quantum glass batteries are not going to disrupt just one industry, but many. So he's hinting that we could possibly see gains like those just shown here, which is crazy to think about and quite a lot of hype. As we know, the guy behind it all here is Matt McCall from over at Investor Place, and I'm going to continue this video over from our article here. So Matt McCall is someone we're pretty familiar with. We've come across investment teasers by him in the past, such as his folded stock and 5G highway stocks opportunities. He's been around for about 2 decades working in professional finance, starting out in the position of account executive over at Charles Schwab. He's written investment books, has been on media outlets like Fox News and CNBC for his expertise. And as you know, he's currently running some investment newsletter advisory services over at Investor Place. He definitely knows what he's talking about and is good at identifying breakthrough technologies, but at the same time, you have to take some of what he says with a grain of salt, as you normally do for hyped up investment teasers like this. So let's talk about what the heck is a quantum glass battery to begin with. Well, the term quantum glass battery is actually something made up. It seems that Matt McCall made this term up himself. They are more commonly referred to as simply glass batteries. And as we can see here, they are a type of solid-state battery that use a glass electrolyte and lithium or sodium metal electrodes. This type of technology was invented by John Goodenough from over at the University of Texas at Austin. And the reason these new batteries hold so much potential is because they have, as I said, glass electrolytes, and these have a higher energy density than the typical lithium-ion batteries do, meaning that they can hold more electricity. Not only can they hold more electricity, but something that is often overlooked, in which Matt McCall does really touch on, is that this new tech helps eliminate the problem of batteries exploding. A good portion of the weight of lithium-ion batteries actually goes to preventing explosions And since solid state batteries, or aka quantum glass batteries, don't have this problem, they can be much more lighter and much more efficient. A lot of potential here, but how much is this new technology actually going to grow? Well, according to Matt McCall, we could see growth of as high as 67,000% in the coming years. Quite a bold prediction, but typical of these types of teasers. So without further ado, let's expose the company behind this quantum glass battery technology and get in on this 67,000+% growth revolution. In McCall's teaser, we are told that investors can get in on the ground floor of this new technology. Apparently, there is a tiny company that is off the radar of just about anyone, and this is the company we want to be investing in. According to McCall, this company is so small at the moment, and these new quantum glass batteries are so underused, that if this company captures just 1% of the total global electric car market, we could see a increase of over 27,000% in revenue for this company. And if it captures 3% of the overall electric car market, we could see a revenue boost of 81,000%. He really goes on to hype up the opportunity, explaining how you could turn a small $1,000 stake into potentially $360,000 or $5,000 into $1.8 million. Now, of course, everyone wants to become a millionaire with only $5,000, but the question is, how do you get more information on this company? Well, McCall gives you all the details in his report here called The Biggest Battery Breakthrough in a Century, How to Cash In on the $3 Trillion Electric Car Revolution. This report gives all the details on the company he's teasing that could make you a millionaire, supposedly. But the catch is that this report, in order to get it, as you can see, it says yours free, but it's not really free. You first have to buy into his subscription advisory service to get this free report. As you will see here. Let's see. Get started now. And here you go. The VIP membership costs $99 a year. Pro membership $89. And a basic membership $49. And this is for his investment advisory service called Investment Opportunities. But I'm guessing you'd rather just find out the name of the company that could potentially turn $5,000 into $1.8 million for free instead of buying into his investment advisory service. And this is exactly what we do at Green Bull Research here. So without further ado, let's expose this company that McCall's teasing here. And it is none other than small UK-based company Elica, which is a pioneer in groundbreaking solid-state battery technology. Their main product line at the moment being Styriax batteries. And here you can see Elica, the team. There weren't that many clues given on this, but this teaser has been around for quite a while, and we have heard from subscribers that this is indeed the company being teased. Not only that, but soon after the teaser was released, we saw a big uptick in trade volume for this company, which makes sense with all the new subscribers jumping on board and buying into it. And you can look this company's stock up on the London Exchange, IKA, or in the US, OTC, ILIKF. Elica is the small company that McCall is teasing here, but if you do want to invest more in the quantum glass battery technology, you can also look into investing in Panasonic, Albemarle, as well as Samsung. However, these companies are a lot bigger, so you can't really expect as large of a potential return. And should you even invest at all? Well, as far as Elica goes, they're a very small company, and investing in them definitely would carry some risk. Not only is the entire future of these solid-state batteries a bit uncertain at the moment, but there are also a number of other small companies in the space that Elica has to compete with, and we're also seeing larger lithium-ion battery manufacturers starting to jump in as well on this potential huge opportunity. So as always, do your own due diligence and do not invest any more than you can't afford to lose. So quick recap here. The term quantum glass battery is a term that was made up by Matt McCall, and he just refers to a type of solid state battery. McCall thinks that this new battery technology will grow as much as 60,000+% in the coming years, and he teases one opportunity to invest in a specific company that makes these batteries that can potentially turn $5,000 into $1.8 million. Normally you'd have to buy into his investment advisory service to find out more, but we just exposed the stock for free, and as you know, it is the small UK-based company called Elika. And that's all I have for you today. If you want more exposed teasers like this, feel free to click on the link in the description. You can go to our webpage and then scroll down to the bottom to enter your email here and sign up to our newsletter list, where you will be emailed newsletters every time we expose an investment teaser such as this. Have a great day.